What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mike, aka North Established, and welcome back to the channel. Honestly, this video was kind of unexpected. I was really hoping to do more of a tutorial video this week, but you guys have showed me so much love in the previous video. Like, literally the video exploded the next day, and it became my best performing video since I've started this channel. So for that, guys, I'm truly thankful, truly humble for all the love and support, the comments, the likes, just everything. I don't deserve it. So guys, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you so much. But today is gonna be more of a continuation from where we last left off, which was on the Manhattan Bridge. We're gonna continue from that point, and this is gonna be more of a sunset down to like nighttime street photography. But I do have a goal, and that goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by June. So to do that, guys, make sure you're hitting this like button down below. Let's get up to 30 likes on this video. Let's get this video spread out to all across YouTube. Let's get it, guys. I'm excited for this video. I hope you are too. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I make new videos every single week, and let's get into it. Sorry for the train noise, but here we go again, another back POV with the Sony A7III. Also, we're using the Sony 20mm G Master. Let's get it. There we go. There we go. Very nice. I might have to bring up our busy. Oh, like I'm gonna turn this corner and see like 10,000 people sitting in this area. Yep, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's fine. We're gonna get a nice shot here. You're gonna have to push somebody out the way. Oh, you go ahead. It's actually pretty dope, actually. It is 85 time. Awesome. All right. That's their photo shoot, dude. Stand back a little bit more. Look at the door in frame. So nice. right, and that's going to be the end of the video. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button down below. Comment anything about your favorite photos in the video, or have any questions about the video. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. And just remember to be yourself and just create. I'm your boy Mike, North Established. I'm out. Peace.